Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have my new iPhone X right here. I'm going to do a simple unboxing and we'll do a simple comparison between all the previous other iPhones. I have the iPhone 6, 6S, iPhone 7. Here's my iPhone 8 and this is my iPhone 7 Plus. Now let me show you the box of the iPhone X here or the iPhone 10 here. Let me flip this over. Let me hide my information on the bottom, but I did get the 256 giger. As you can see up here. And the color I got it in is silver. They only offer two colors. It's either space gray or silver. Okay, I got the silver. And let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got inside. Okay, so first thing right out of the box, we have the startup guide here. And we should have some stickers in here as well. Some Apple logo stickers. Right here, you can simply put this on your laptop or wherever you want. The iPhone X itself, again, this is in beautiful, shiny silver. Wow, look at this. And just to give you a quick example, this is silver, but I think this iPhone 6 was silver, or maybe this was space gray as well, but you can see the difference. This is kind of a matte finish. This is kind of a glossy finish here. And this is the iPhone 8 right here. You can kind of see the difference here. The iPhone 8 is a little bit smaller. So the iPhone X pretty much sits in regards to dimension. It's in between the size of an iPhone 8 and an iPhone 7 Plus or 8 Plus. Okay, so it's pretty much like in the middle, which I think is a perfect size. And let's see what else is in the box here. Of course, you have your AC adapter here. We have some earpods or earphones here, and it does come with a lightning port adapter. The reason is because the iPhone X doesn't have a 3.5 millimeter jack, nor does the iPhone 8 or the iPhone 7. There's no 3.5 millimeter jack, which I really do not like. But the iPhone 6 and 6S, you did have the 3.5 millimeter jack. So every time you want to use your earbuds, and you know, this earbuds here have a 3.5 millimeter jack, you need to have this adapter. You lose this adapter, then you're just going to have to buy another one. You're not going to be able to use your earphones, so you get one of these lightning port adapters, which I think is a really inconvenience. And also, if we look down here, we have the standard lightning cable here as well. And let me go ahead and boot this up really quickly, and we'll give it a wireless charge on here. Okay, yeah, there we go. So we got the power button here. You have the volume rockers on the left side here. Your SD card goes in right here. And let's go ahead and let me just show you between these phones down here. You can kind of see the difference. You know, between like all of these, the iPhone 6 up to the iPhone 8, they're all pretty much similar in sizes, maybe give or take like 1 millimeter. But again, like I said, the iPhone X is a little bit bigger, as you can see here, but it's a little bit smaller than the iPhone 7 Plus or the 8 Plus. And here's the difference between the iPhone 8 versus the iPhone X. You can see here. And let me turn this phone over. Let me see. Okay, so we're booted right here, so I should be able, without even going through the setting, I should be able to wirelessly charge this. Boom, it's already registered. It's already charging. I'll put the link below for this. This is my one of my favorite fast wireless chargers. I use this for all of my phones I can charge wirelessly. And I'll give you a quick comparison here. Let's go ahead and look between the iPhone X and the iPhone 8. I just did an unboxing with this one as well, but here's a comparison between the two phones. Let me put this upside down. See, even the width is a little bit longer than the iPhone 8, as you can see here. It also looks a little bit thicker. It's pretty obvious, I think, if you look at it closely. Here's the top here. Here's the sides with the volume rockers, and of course you have the mute button right here. And I'll give you a size comparison between this and the iPhone 8, iPhone X, and this is the iPhone 7 Plus, which is similar in size to the iPhone 8 Plus. You can see the iPhone X is directly in the middle, which is perfect for me. And there you go, pretty simple review. I just wanted to show you the components of exactly what you get with the new iPhone X. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.